the famous temple of Lord Venkateswara located in Andhra Pradesh? Option A, Vijayawada. Option B, Chittoor. Option C, Visakhapatnam. Option D, Guntur. And your time starts now. Second question. The famous Papikondalu Hills located in which state? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Tamil Nadu. And your time starts now. Flows through Papikondalu. Option A, Ganga. Option B, Yamuna. Option C, Krishna. Option D, Godavari. And your time starts now. Question number 4. The famous Burra Caves are located in which district? Option A, Guntur. Option B, Visakhapatnam. Option C, Konaseema. Option D, East Godavari. And your time starts now. Question number 5. Which city is also known as City of Victory in Andhra Pradesh? Option A, Kakinada. Option B, Krishna. Option C, Nandyal. Option D, Vijayawada. And your time starts now. Question number 6. Where is the famous Annavaram Satyanarayana Swami temple is located? Option A, East Godavari. Option B, Srikakulam. Option C, Vijayanagaram. Option D, Nellore. And your time starts now. Question number 7. Amaravati is famous for which ancient culture? Option A, Mauryan culture. Option B, Dravidian culture. Option C, Buddhist culture. Option D, Mughal culture. And your time starts now. Question number 8. Where is the famous Kanakadurga temple is located? Option A, Kadapa. Option B, Kurnool. Option C, Vijayawada. Option D, Prakasam. And your time starts now. Question number 9. Kolleru Lake is located between which two rivers? Option A, Godavari and Penna. Option B, Krishna and Godavari. Option C, Tungabhadra and Krishna. Option D, Penna and Krishna. And your time starts now. Draksharamam is one of the Pancharama Kshetras dedicated to. Option A, Shiva. Option B, Vishnu. Option C, Ganesh. Option D, Durga Devi. And your time starts now. Question number 11. The famous Dwaraka Tirumala temple is located in which district? Option A, Krishna. Option B, West Godavari. Option C, East Godavari. Option D, Kurnool. And your time starts now. The famous Lepakshi temple is located in which district? Option A, Anakapalli. Option B, Bapatla. Option C, Anantapur. Option D, Konaseema. and your time starts now. Next question. Submarine Museum is located in which district? Option A Srikakulam, Option B Guntur, Option C Kakinada, Option D Visakhapatnam. And your time starts now. Next question. Where is the Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park is located? Option A Kurnool, Option B Chittoor, Option C Tirupati, Option D Guntur. And your time starts now. Next question. Visakhapatnam is also known as Option A City of Destiny, Option B Port Town, Option C City of Lakes, Option D City of Perils. And your time starts now. Next question. Nagarjunakonda, a historical site, is now located in which reservoir? Option A Nagarjuna Sagar, Option B Polavaram, Option C Dhavaleswaram, Option D Somasilla. The time starts now. Next question. Udaygiri Fort is located in which district? Option A Nellore, Option B Kadapa, Option C Guntur, Option D Ongole. And your time starts now. Next question. Araku Valley is known for Option A waterfalls, Option B beaches, Option C hill stations, Option D forts. And your time starts now. The historical Kondapalli Fort is located near which city? Option A Bhimavaram, Option B Vijayawada, Option C Bhapatla, Option D Nandyal. And your time starts now. Last question. Which dam is built on Krishna River? Option A Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Option B Polavaram Dam, Option C Srisailam Dam, Option D Tungabhadra Dam. And your time starts.